How to pin a message in WhatsApp group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin messages in WhatsApp groups so everyone can find important message quickly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you are inside, simply tap on the group chat where you like to pin the message. And once you are inside the group chat, simply long press the message that you want to pin. It can be yours or someone else. Now after you have selected that, simply tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and from the drop down menu simply tap on pin. And after that, WhatsApp lets you pin messages with three options, that is 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. So simply select your option, and once you're done with that, simply tap on pin. And once pinned, the message will appear at the top of the chat for everyone to see. But remember, you can only pin one message at a time. So it means that the pinning a new message will replace the previous one. But you can always unpin a message anytime by following the same steps and selecting unpin instead. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.